Hey everyone. I recently bought these water supply lines for my faucet, and I got the wrong one, of course, because that's what you do. And the interesting thing about these is they're supposed to, they claim that they shut off. Let's see. Residential commercial supply applications, patented shut-off device to protect against catastrophic water damage. No power source, blah, 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 all that. So basically, right here, inside of this guy, is where the magic happens. Well, since I'm too lazy to bring it back to the store, let's cut it open and see how it works. First thing I'm going to do is just cut it off of the hose. Oh, my battery's dead. Okay, fresh battery. I'm going to cut it along the long way here. The best I can with one hand. Let's see. Well, I'm going to turn it around and try getting it all the way in half. Alright, here we are. Ooh. So it's made out of brass, except for where it isn't. Ooh, I kind of murdered this in here a little bit. But you can see there's kind of, let me see if I could get my, so there's some kind of a plunger and a spring. That's kind of how I figured it would work. Let's see if I can get this out of here. It's really massacred. Ooh. There's a spring, there's some internals. Seems to have an O-ring seal in there. Oh yeah, and a bunch of holes. So the spring must hold it open with water pressure. When it loses water pressure, it must slam shut and stop the water flow. So after I cut that open like an idiot, I realized that it probably just unscrews. So I have another one. Of course, this one's wrong too, so it's perfect. I'll just unscrew it instead of being all caveman on it. And then see what's inside there. Oh. Okay. So we got, well, it won't focus, but looks like we got brass in there. And it looks like a spot for an O-ring. Inside we have a spring. And this little plunger with an O-ring. Pop that out of there. I don't know if it'll come out of there. Yeah, well, you get the idea. It's just got this little plunger with holes in it, an O-ring, and a spring. Pretty good idea. If you get the right one, it actually works. I think it would be a good idea. Anyway, that's it.